So how do you actually tweet on Twitter, or actually how do you create a post on Twitter? Now, I was recently asked that question by someone who's been on Twitter for years and years and years, but they'd never actually tweeted anything. So it is straightforward, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So I'm showing you this on my iPad. So bottom left-hand corner, we've got the blue plus symbol with the feather. We're going to tap on that, and this is going to be universal on your iPad or your iPhone, or if you're doing it on your desktop, you'll look for a button that just says tweet. We now get the opportunity to add up to 280 character spaces. So they do have limits. So I'm going to tweet, how would you rate your country's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic? So a very topical question that I'm going to be tweeting out, so I should get some response. Now you can actually add an image as well. So I'm going to tick access to my camera and add an image. And that's how simple it is to add an image. Now that was just taken of me out of my window this morning, which doesn't relate to this tweet, so I'm going to delete it. So you actually get 280 character spaces, but if you add an image, it takes up 22 character spaces as well. Now I'm going to add some hashtags as well. COVID-19. Hashtags are just another way for people to search for tweets. And I'm just going to add COVID as well. Twitter are telling me 810 tweets in the last hour just on that word COVID. And I'm also going to tag someone in it as well, so that person will get notified that they've been tagged in a post. I've tagged our Prime Minister here in Australia, so there we go. He'd get tagged in hundreds and thousands of tweets, so he's probably never going to see this. But that's how simple it is. So let's press tweet, top right. Your tweet was sent. Your tweet was successful. Let me just refresh my screen, and there we go. I have a pinned tweet at the top of my Twitter profile, but underneath that, how would you rate your country's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic? That's how simple it is to tweet on Twitter or create a post on Twitter.